Good day everyone, my name is Nami Borowigan. Today I will perform birthing return demonstration with milk preparation and feeding. Before I start, I already sanitize my hands to maintain proper sanitation, and after that, I gather all the materials what I need. I have my towels for birthing, I have my babes, milk, alcohol, um, bottles container, and also water. I have also plate to assemble the milk here and knife to bring out the excess milk from the scoop. Before I start, I will first sanitize my hands using alcohol. And now, I will remove the bottles what I will use in the container box and enclosed bag. So I will open it. See to it that you don't hold any inside parts of the bottles like heaters and the cover. So I will put that here and then I will pick up the milk. So I will first, not the milk, sorry, I will pick up water. Water is, the magic word is 1:2. 1 scoop of milk and 2 ounces of water. Okay, I will close it here. And now I will measure the milk. By measuring the milk, see to it that you don't press in the side, but you must use a sterilized knife to bring out the excess milk from the measuring spoon. And put that in the bottles. And then put that here, close first. And then pick up the bottles, cover and close. To shake it, just shake it slowly so that we can avoid creating bubbles. And then, or you can shake it slowly with the rotational movement. Don't shake too fast just because it can create so much bubbles and that is not good for the baby to drink more bubbles from the bottles. So it's done. Now I will pick up the baby from the cribs. Hello, good baby. Good morning. Today is your feeding time. First, I will remove you from your sleep sack. Okay, the baby, I must remove the baby slowly from his sleep sack. And then, I will put it here, pick up his babes, and then put that underneath of the baby. Okay, put it slowly. It's because it's feeding time. Okay, before I pick up from the cribs, I will first pick up the towels so that I can use it later for birthing. And now I will lie that on my shoulder. So I will pick up the baby, supporting the head and the neck, and also the buttocks. And then carry that here and slide it slowly in the hand. And then I will pick up the bottles with the other finger and put it here. I will find a seat so that I can feed the baby. Baby, it's time for drinking. Okay, after 1 ounce that the baby drink, I will let first the baby birth. Okay, I will first bring the baby in the kneeling position, and then I will put it slowly over my shoulder. See to it that's the chin and the nose have enough space over the shoulder, and then I can tap the back slowly. Okay, the baby's barf is ready. And baby, you have another one else here. You can drink it again. Okay, the baby is full. So I will cover the rest of the milk. And then I will show you how to birth in the other position. I will first put the towel. I will slowly remove that in my shoulder. Put the towels over my lap, cross position. And I will let the baby into sitting position. And then I will put my finger in the U form, holding the chin of the baby and sitting position, and slowly tap the back of the baby. So 1 minute later is ready. We make already the fork. Or can be the baby have another suitable circulation. If you have problem, can be he have another position. So we will let the baby in the lying position. The same procedure of the towel, cross over the lap, and then we let the baby so in lying position like this. And then you can massage or tap the back of the baby. It depends for the baby, sometimes for what he is comfortable by birthing. So the baby is done. He removed already the excess of the air what he have drink from the bottles. And now I will carry the baby in the sitting position. And that is for the demonstration. Thank you and have a good day.